In this video, I'll show you how to create a website with Practice Better, a platform that's often recommended for building your practice's online presence. Stick around because, by the end, I'll share an extended free trial to Practice Better and introduce you to some alternatives that might actually suit your needs even better. Let's dive into it. The first thing you'll notice when you sign into Practice Better is its clean, user-friendly interface. Creating a website starts with choosing a template. You'll have several pre-designed templates tailored for coaches, practitioners, and wellness businesses. These templates make it easy for anyone, whether you're tech-savvy or not, to get started without worrying about design or coding. Next thing, you'll want to customize your template to make it reflect your brand. You can upload your logo, change fonts, colors, and adjust the layout to fit your style. Practice Better makes it easy to tailor the look of your website, but keep in mind, it's fairly limited in terms of design flexibility compared to other platforms. It's not as open-ended as something like WordPress, but for a simple, professional website, it does the job. The third thing to focus on is adding your services. Practice Better allows you to list your services, packages, and programs right on your website. You can even set up scheduling and payment directly through the platform, which is a huge time saver. But this comes with a catch. The payment integration can sometimes be tricky to set up, and there are additional fees depending on the payment processor you use. Next, Practice Better allows you to integrate forms, which is especially useful if you're offering consultations or assessments. You can customize these forms to collect the information you need from clients before they book a session with you. But here's the thing, while it's pretty straightforward to set up, the customization options for these forms are somewhat limited compared to other tools on the market. You won't be able to create highly complex forms or surveys unless you're using a workaround. The fifth thing to consider is the mobile responsiveness. Once you've built your website, you'll want to make sure it looks good on mobile devices, and Practice Better does a decent job with this. However, it's not as flexible as some of the more customizable website builders out there. You might run into issues if you want to make very specific mobile adjustments, like altering the position of elements or adjusting the layout in minute ways. Now, here's the thing. While Practice Better is a good choice for wellness professionals looking for a simple, all-in-one platform, it might not be the best if you're looking for a fully customizable website or advanced features. There are other platforms out there that provide better flexibility, more design options, and can grow with your business more effectively. That's why I want to tell you about some excellent alternatives that offer a much broader set of features. These platforms are better suited for creating a website that not only looks great, but also helps you scale your business in the long run. Plus, they all come with free trials, so you can try them out and see which works best for you. Now, back to Practice Better. If you're set on trying it, I've got something special for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive, extended free trial of Practice Better, giving you extra time to explore the platform's full features. But remember, you also have some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals, and they also offer free trials. Don't miss out on the best deal and exclusive benefits we've secured just for you. Check the link in the description to grab your extended free trial and explore your options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.